work in any storm situation when you have millions of customers out, you have your difficulties. Yesterday it was mid to lower 90s, high humidity. We're in a situation where they're in hard hats, they're in flame retardant clothing, they're rubber gloves, rubber sleeves, and they're doing it all without complaining, and they're just happy to turn the lights on.
We've had some good accommodations, even though this is a tent camp where we have showers, we have running water, good food, it's hot, so everybody's in good spirits. Just want to get people's lights on so they can have that same comfort.
The people of Florida are being fantastic with us. They're giving us hugs, they're seeing our crews, high-fiving, really excited, and of course you have the ones that want us to, I just live 5 minutes up the road, can you come take care of me? Our entire crew, we're one Eversource here. It's not New Hampshire, Mass, or Connecticut, we're all one.